In this short video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to cancel your Shopify subscription and close your store quickly and safely. If you're experiencing financial constraints, switching to a different platform, or taking a seasonal break or temporary business pause, don't worry. Many users find the cancellation process a bit tricky, but I'm here to simplify it for you. I watch tutorials by creators like AppTutor, GuideRealm, and How to Shopify. Great content, no doubt. However, I noticed they missed some crucial steps, and I'll cover those and more. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out and you'd like to support what we do, check the pinned comment below. I've added useful Shopify resource there for you too. Now, let's get started on how to cancel your Shopify subscription. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel dashboard. Click on Settings located at the bottom left corner. In the Settings menu, click on Plan. Then click on Deactivate Store. Shopify will present options to pause or close your store. If you're certain about closing, click Deactivate Store again. When prompted, choose a reason, enter your password, then click Deactivate Now. But wait! Some apps may continue to charge you even after deactivating your store subscription. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's continue with how to ensure a clean break from Shopify. To prevent future charges, navigate to apps in your admin panel. For each app, click on it and select Delete or Uninstall. This ensures they don't continue to bill you after deactivation. Also, you need to remove your payment methods used while subscribing. To do this, go to Settings. Under Payment Methods, remove any saved card or payment info to prevent further billing. Keep in mind, Shopify retains your store data for 2 years after deactivation. So if you change your mind, you can reactivate your store within that period. If you're not ready to close your store permanently, consider pausing it. Here's how. Go to Settings. Then click Plan. Click on Deactivate Store. Then select Pause and Build. This option lets you work on your store at a reduced cost, but customers won't be able to make purchases. For those asking how to cancel Shopify subscription and get refund, understand that Shopify generally doesn't offer refunds for subscription cancellations. However, there are situations where they might consider an exception, especially if the account was unintentionally kept active or due to specific circumstances. If a merchant is looking for a refund in such situations, they should contact Shopify support to discuss the situation and explore the possibility of a refund. To explore more Shopify video tutorials, click this card. If this video helped and you'd like to support what we do, feel free to buy me a coffee, links in the pinned comment. Check the description below for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.